The flower is complex, about 10 centimeter diameter with 5 sepals and petals, similar in appearance, and there are 5 greenish yellow stamens and 3 stigmas in each flower. It is used traditionally as a calming herb for anxiety, insomnia, seizures, and hysteria. A decoction of passion flower being successfully used in bronchial asthma. It is used as anti-addictive as it stops chemical reactions that cause nausea and vomiting because of withdrawal from cocaine, heroin, or opiate painkillers. It is anticonvulsant as it prevents or reduces the severity of epileptic fits or another convulsions and reduces inflammation.